Goobne is located at second floor. Korean fish ball soup. The Korean fish ball soup is a clear soup with fish balls and pretty tasty. Caesar salad. The Caesar salad is made of fresh vegetable and tasty. The set lunch. Now try the sweet and spicy Korean oven roasted chicken. This chicken is really juicy and delicious. This set lunch is really good. The Korean buckwheat tea. The buckwheat tea is dry, nutty, earthy taste and a light scent. My overall reviews for Goobne Korean oven roasted chicken is pretty good. Do come and try the Korean food here. For all you Korean food lovers, you will love this experience.